Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Infinite Soul. Hope you all are doing good. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to create this very simple casual but glam makeup look. So let's jump into the video. For moisturizer base, I am using this NY Bay face serum, which is very hydrating and its fragrances are very nice. You can use it as a moisturizer. It also give you a instant glow. I'm just blending it to all over my face using my fingers. For foundation, I'm using this Swiss Beauty pan stick, which is actually a concealer, but I'm using it as a foundation stick or concealer together. Now I'm just applying it on my face. Now take a wet sponge and blend the foundation concealer throughout your face and also in your neck area, because if you are not blending it into your neck, your face will look like a mask. I'm also applying some concealer on my upper lid, which will act as a eyeshadow primer, and blending out with the same sponge. Now for setting my concealer, I'm using this Fit Me Compact. It is a brand new product and its packaging is awesome. Now I'm setting the concealer with the help of this compact on my upper eyelid. And for contouring, I am using this Dazzler's compact in a dark shade at the area where I needed to show my face slim. Fill in my eyebrows, I'm using this Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil, which has a spoolie at the end of the pencil, and now I'm filling all the gaps in my eyebrow, which it is in dark brown color, which gives me a natural look. Create a soft glam look, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Hard Kind eyeshadow palette. Today I'm gonna do something with these colors. Now I'm deciding which to use. I'm gonna use these three colors and also the shimmery shade, which is adjacent to the last color. Some matte dark shade around your crease line and blend it in a circular motion. Now I'm taking this color and blending it into my outer and inner corners of eye like this. The color at the outer corner and also bringing this color into the crease line and gradually building this color into crease and also in the inner corner. Now take some of the concealer on your flat brush and apply it at the center of your eye where you have to apply the shimmery shades. Do not forget to set your concealer with the compact or any loose powder because it will give you a nice base to apply any kind of shimmer over your eyelid. And now to give a nice blended look, I'm taking this dark color and applying it at the corners. I'm gonna take this beautiful shimmer shade to apply it at the center of my eyelid. Now I'm taking some of the shade on my finger and pressing it on my upper eyelid so that to give a nice blended look. Look how beautiful it is looking. You may say it later, but it is looking very nice to me. And again taking this dark gray color and applying it and smudging it in my lower lash line area. Taking this white kajal from NY Bay to apply it on my waterline. Using my Urban Choice brush palette and taking this pink color to apply it as my blush. Applying false lashes to complete the eye look and also using mascara to blend my natural lashes with the false lashes together. And for lipstick I'm using this NY Bay lipstick which is in the shade Impeccable 1 or Sebilla 15 and its fragrance is very nice. And now I'm applying it on my lips. It has a creamy texture. It does not give you a matte look, but it looks nice on your lips and it also moisturizes your lips very well. Comes a dyeing for part which is applying highlighter and I'm using Wet n Wild highlighter. It is in champagne shade and applying it all the prominent areas of my face to give me a glam look. Great look. Hope you like this video and if you want to create this look, please try. Go ahead and send me your pictures on my Instagram page Infinite Soul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye.